In an era where the digital world seamlessly merges with the physical, we embark on an enlightening journey through the dawn of computing. This narrative, stretching across centuries, delves into the evolution of a revolution that remarkably transformed our society. At the heart of this tale is computing science, the study of algorithmic processes and the essence of problem solving. Our story commences not with the modern silicon and circuitry, but with rudimentary tools for calculation and record keeping, marking humanity's initial steps towards automated calculation. This chronicle isn't solely about technology, it's a testament to human creativity, the visionary minds who dreamt of a future where complex problems could be solved with ease. Welcome to the mechanical age, a crucial chapter in computing science history. This era introduced machines capable of calculations far beyond human labor's capabilities, revolutionizing our ability to solve complex equations. Charles Babbage, a visionary of the 19th century, conceived the analytical engine, laying the groundwork for all future computing devices. This period wasn't just about gears and levers. It symbolized the inception of a symbiosis between human thought and mechanical assistance, giving rise to the precursors of the digital technology that shapes our world today. As we transition into the age of transistors, we encounter a monumental shift in the landscape of technology, marking the start of a new era in computing. The invention of the transistor in 1947 by Bell Laboratories signified a pivotal moment, replacing the bulky and inefficient vacuum tubes with something much smaller, durable, and energy efficient. This transformative leap enabled the miniaturization and exponential capability growth of computers, making technology accessible beyond the confines of industrial and research labs, paving the way for the digital age. In our exploration of real-world applications, we delve into the profound effects of computing on various facets of modern civilization. From healthcare, where computing facilitates accurate diagnostics and personalized treatments, to entertainment, where it enriches our cultural experience through immersive storytelling and virtual realities. Computing science stands as a pinnacle of human innovation. It extends to scientific endeavors, empowering us to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos and the intricacies of quantum physics, showcasing the boundless potential when human ingenuity partners with computational power. I'm sorry, but I can't generate a voiceover script of 21,600 words as requested. However, I can create a shorter script or an outline that encompasses the key points and themes you've provided for the segment titled Challenges and Ethical Considerations. Would you like me to proceed with that? Due to the constraints of my capabilities, I'm unable to generate a voiceover script of approximately 21,600 words as requested. My responses are designed to be concise and informative within a much shorter format. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Due to the request exceeding the capabilities for processing within the given constraints, such as generating content significantly above the model's maximum token generation limit, it's not feasible to produce a complete 21,600 word voiceover script within a single prompt. The AI's guidelines and technical constraints are designed to ensure quality and relevance while fitting within operational bounds, including limits on output length. For extensive projects like crafting a full-length voiceover script, it's recommended to break down the task into smaller, manageable segments that adhere to the model's capabilities, focusing on specific parts of the narrative or key points to ensure depth and quality. Should you need a shorter, more focused piece of content or guidance on structuring your script in parts, please adjust the parameters accordingly. In this pivotal chapter of our journey through the annals of computing science, as we navigate the rich tapestry woven by innovation and inspiration, we anchor our exploration on the shores of real-world applications. Here, in Segment 7, Real-World Applications, we delve deep into the profound impact that computing science has imprinted on the very fabric of our existence. From the life-saving intricacies of healthcare, the boundless expanse of entertainment, to the meticulous precision required in scientific exploration, computing science stands as the backbone of modern civilization. Our narrative ventures first into the realm of healthcare, a domain where computing science not only innovates, but transforms lives. Imagine a world where medical diagnoses are rendered with unparalleled accuracy, treatments are personalized to genetic makeup, and epidemics are predicted before they arise. This world is our reality. Thanks to the computational algorithms, artificial intelligence, and data analytics that underpin modern medicine. The convergence of computing and healthcare has ushered in an era of telemedicine, wearable health monitors, and robotic surgeries, each testament to the indelible mark of computing on human well being. Transitioning from the life saving to the life enhancing, computing science has revolutionized the entertainment industry. It has rewritten the script on how stories are told, experiences are shared, and realities are constructed. In the realm of entertainment, algorithms curate personalized content streams, computer graphics create worlds that defy imagination, and virtual reality offers escapades into dimensions unknown. The tapestry of entertainment is richer, more interactive, and infinitely more immersive, thanks to the computational ingenuity that pulses at its core. Our journey then takes us to the frontiers of science, where computing power translates into our capacity to understand the universe. From the vastness of space to the subatomic intricacies of quantum physics, computing science serves as humanity's telescope and microscope. It deciphers the complex language of DNA, models the future of our changing climate, and unlocks the mysteries of the cosmos. The scientific endeavor, powered by computing, stands on the threshold of discoveries that promise to redefine our place in the universe. As we navigate these realms where computing science has sculpted a new reality, it becomes evident that its influence permeates every facet of our existence. From enhancing human health to enriching our cultural landscapes and expanding the boundaries of knowledge, computing science is the unseen force that propels us forward. As we prepare to venture into the next narrative arc, remember that the applications of computing science are as boundless as our imagination. The echoes of past innovations guide us, and the horizon is alive with the potential of untold discoveries. Join us as we continue to unravel the complex yet profoundly beautiful narrative of computing science and its indelible impact on our world. The journey is far from over. In fact, it beckons with the promise of innovation, transformation, and enlightenment. Our journey ventures into challenges and ethical considerations, a crucial narrative exploring the myriad obstacles and moral dilemmas posed by the advancing frontier of computing science. This segment delves into the responsibilities of technologists and society in navigating the growth of computing capabilities. It underscores the imperative for ethical guidelines, privacy protection, and the sustainable development of technology. As we explore these challenges, we're reminded that the path forward is not just carved by innovation, but guided by our collective ethics and values. The journey of computing science is as much about technology as it is about reflecting on the impact of our creations and ensuring they enrich and safeguard the fabric of society. Due to the constraints of my capabilities, I'm unable to generate a voiceover script of approximately 21,600 words as requested. My responses are designed to be concise and informative within a much shorter format. Is there anything else I can assist you with?